Contacts us, get $10 cash. As y'all saw, I like finally got a brain and figured it out. Here's my concern. The sides here, like lifting.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today, this is different. I'm filming like in my living room on my big beanbag chair. If you hear anything in the... That was a loud clap. If you hear anything in the background, I'm like I said, in my living room. Paul is at his little gaming desk. I'm like his little desk. Paul's at his gaming desk and he's playing a game with his friend. He has like his headphones on, so he doesn't really know that he's loud. So yeah, if you hear anything, sorry. So today we are going to be getting into this wig. Okay, so let me tell you something. Y'all know how everybody be scared to buy a wig on Amazon. Every wig I own came from Amazon. Was that true? I made one. I made two. My mom made me one, so that's three. Every other wig I own came from Amazon. And synthetic wigs from Amazon are, you know, synthetic is synthetic. It's like not gonna be good for more than a week. But my human hair wigs from Amazon, like I've been striking gold. I've been hitting the jackpot. So yeah, I have another one. And I'll have the link to it below. A lot of the reviews said that the cap size was small, which is perfect for me because my head is really little. I'm really excited because if it's small enough, it'll be tight enough to where I don't have to glue it down every day, and that'll be like literally a dream come true. I need to have a glueless wig. I have yet to have a glueless wig, and I think this will be the one because it's like really tight, like really tight. So yeah, we're gonna be just unboxing shawty. Well, I took out the box already, but I'll do like a little fake unboxing. And then I'm gonna cut the lace and install it, and it's gonna be fun. All right, so it came in this box. It says choose us, choose beautiful. I think that's so cute. And it says we supply 100% hand-picked virgin human hair, the finest and greatest hair quality that are healthy and youthful in the world. That was an interesting sentence. Okay. Contacts us, get $10 cash. This is the hair. It is so soft. Now I ordered 18 inches and it's like 18 inches, but it's not 18 inches all through. It's like 18 inches layered, you know what I mean? So yeah. And then look at the lace though.
Serious?
Like look at the lace. I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna pull my hair back and put on a wig cap, and then we'll go ahead and put it on.
The link in the description for Daisy. It's
my camera just did like the weirdest thing. Like it like stopped recording halfway through me cutting the lace, but the lace is cut and it's not glued and it's sliding right now because it's tight, but it's a little loose. So I need to tighten it, but look at the quality of this hair, y'all. It's not thick, but I kind of didn't expect it to be super thick because the reviews kind of said that it wasn't thick, but it's not thin to where anything is showing, like any tracks or anything are showing, so that's fine. I'm gonna tighten the straps in here a little. I'm gonna fix this like around the ear because I need to be able to have it behind my ear. Like that'll drive me nuts. Okay, here's my concern. The sides here, like lifting, is like a big concern of mine because I don't want to have to. Actually, if I just cut that lace all the way, it won't be a problem, huh? Because I put my hair behind my ears like all the time, so I think I'm just gonna cut that lace all the way because I can't have that out. Like I need like no lace here because I always took my hair behind my ear, and now I'm bald. Great. Now I have my baby hair out, and that's fine. Like when I have my baby hair out, everything's fine. Like look, like it's fine here with my baby hair out, but then I gotta flat iron my baby hair because look at my baby hair is like not straight, obviously. Ugh, I'm gonna have to glue it down. That's so annoying. Like this side's fine. Mostly you can see it like a little, so I'm like gonna have to glue it down. I guess it's like just the way my freaking stupid head is shaped. Okay, so as y'all saw, I like finally got a brain and figured it out. If I cut around my ear, the lace won't lift when I put it behind my ear. So, there we go. It's like, this is like my 20th wig. You would think I would know / remember stuff like that, but I don't. Okay, so I'm putting on my glasses real quick just because I see better. My prescription is mostly distance, but I have an astigmatism, so sorry. See, I'm not even like on the clock and I'm still talking about glasses. Oh my God. There we go. Yes, now I can put it behind my ear. I'm gonna have to tuck my baby hairs better, but yeah. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna pluck a middle part because I'm most likely always gonna be wearing this in the middle part. Sometimes actually, let me try to style this on a side part real quick just because, you know, switch it up. Why not? See, new hair always does that at the roots. Like it won't like lay down or like, you know what I mean? Like it won't like really lay down like at the roots. It still has like a lot of body until you like break the hair in. I find that human hair does that, but yeah. Actually, it'd probably be better to straighten it first. I'm gonna get my straightener. I'll be back. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only thing about you and the part of me that cares inside is gone, and that's why I can't get caught up. You want to duet with me? Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to straighten my hair. That's all I'm doing. So just watch me straighten my hair. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna flat iron it like super bone straight because I really like this body and like texture that it has right now. So I'm just gonna like straighten it a little bit, keep it, you know, try to like get it flatter around the roots, but that's it. I really like the body that it has. This shape is so cute. I can literally like barely straighten my own hair. Like do not take hair advice from me. I'm like straight ironing it like a 5-year-old, like doo-doo-doo. I really don't have to pluck the lace much. I just have to get this hair to lay flat because it has so much body at the roots. New human hair always does this. I don't know how to combat it. All right, I guess I'm gonna have to, or not I guess, I'll probably sleep with this pinned or like wrap to like press this down because like I don't know anything about wigs. I think this is for like baby hair to be cut because this is way too long to be in the front. So let's go ahead and cut this. So yeah, this whole video was me not knowing anything about hair, wigs, lace, or having brain cells. Yeah, me and my last 2 brain cells. Really appreciate you watching this video. If you have any hair tips for me, leave them below like now, and you should have been typed it. You're fake if you haven't left me a hair tip now, and you know something that I don't know, and you see something I did wrong. Help me. I'm trying my hardest. I really hope you guys enjoy. Leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, okay? I gotta go.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All of a sudden I got people showing how much